Let's take a moment to breathe together in the silence. To just inhale and exhale. We'll use the prayer, the words, the sacred scripture that has been said so many times in the Heart of Hearts, that's shared by Richard Rohr, that has been spoken in this Silent Unity chapel, this atrium, for years and years. Be still and know that I am God. Be still and know. Be still. Be. By the power of this practice, may we have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May we know God as love and ourselves as emanations of this love. May we know that we are born blessed and here to be the light of God. And so it is. Namaste.